Trump's Pentagon shakeup. What it means for the military. Big changes are happening at the Pentagon. President Trump has fired the nation's top military officer, along with several other key figures, in a bold move that's raising eyebrows. So, what's really going on here? Let's break it down. On Friday night, in a stunning decision, President Trump fired the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, General C.Q. Brown Jr. This marks a major break from tradition, as the chairman typically stays in place when a new administration takes over. But that wasn't all. 6 other high-ranking Pentagon officials were also dismissed, including Admiral Lisa Franchetti, the first woman to lead the Navy. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth defended the firings, calling them completely normal. He pointed out that past presidents, including Obama and Roosevelt, also made military leadership changes. But what makes this different is how quickly it's happening and why. Trump has made it clear that he wants to strip the military of what he calls woke ideologies, believing that leadership has become focused on diversity and not enough on combat readiness. His pick for the new Joint Chiefs chairman, retired Air Force General Caine, is described as apolitical, experienced, and well-respected among his peers. So, what does this all mean? Some say it's Trump keeping a campaign promise to reshape the military. Others worry it could politicize national security. One thing's for sure, this shakeup is just the beginning. What do you think? Are these firings justified? Or is this a dangerous move? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.